Hello students, welcome back to a new session of grammar. So today in this video, in the grammar portion, I am going to tell you about transitive and intransitive verbs. First of all, we should know that transitive and intransitive verbs are just opposite of each other. As you can make out from the name itself, transitive, and its just opposite is intransitive. So what are transitive verbs? Transitive verbs are those verbs which are followed by object. To clear the meaning of a particular sentence, there are some verbs which should carry object after them. Only then their meaning will get cleared. For example, I gave him a book. Now in this sentence, there are two objects. I gave him. Him is object because he, the object of he is him. And here I gave him a book. A book, since it is coming after verb, it will be called as object. So there is a grammatical rule that verb should be preceded by subject and verb should be followed by object. This means that for a subject to come in a sentence, it should come before verb, and for an object to come in a sentence, it should come after verb. Now let us take some more example. She called me in the kitchen. So here she is subject, called is verb, and verb is immediately followed by me. So this is an example of transitive sentence or transitive verb. Now let us take one more example to make the example even more illustrative and more clear. Suppose I say, she wrote a letter. In this sentence also, verb is followed by an object, a letter. So she wrote what? She wrote a letter. So here a letter is object. So these are some of the examples of transitive verb. Now let us talk about intransitive verb. Intransitive verbs are those verbs which are not followed by any object. This means there are some sentences, or you will find some sentences where you will not find any object. Here object means immediately after the verb. For example, she sang beautifully. So in this sentence, we see she is subject, sang is verb, but there is no object after sang. Instead of that, there is an adverb. She sang beautifully. He wrote quickly. So here also, wrote is not followed by any object. So this is also an example of intransitive verb. Now the last sentence, a bird was flying high in the sky. So now here also, was flying is verb and it is not followed by any object. See again and listen to this sentence again. A bird, subject, was flying, verb, high. Now high is adjective, and for an object to come, it should either be noun or it should be a pronoun. So that's all in this session. I hope we will meet in the next session also. Till then, bye bye, take care.